Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect Oraimo Freepods 3 to iPhone. So somebody requested for this and I'll be showing you guys how to connect it right away. First thing first is to bring out the earbuds from its case. Make sure they are charged. As you can see, they blink green first and now it is in pairing mode. So once you bring them out this way, you can see one of it is blinking. That shows it is in pairing mode. And the next thing to do is to grab your iPhone and go to the Bluetooth settings. So you go to the settings, then you go to the Bluetooth and you switch it on. Once you have switched it on, your Bluetooth of your iPhone is going to search for the Bluetooth device around. So as you can see, the Oraimo Freepods 3 2BB has popped up under our other devices. So you select the Oraimo Freepods 3, and once you select it, it's going to connect. Right under my devices, you can see Oraimo Freepods 3 connected. Okay, and these earbuds are just go off. You can see it is no longer blinking, so that means it is connected. As you can see right on the iPhone, it shows the earphone symbol, so that means it is connected. Now you can use it to listen to your music. So that is how to connect your Oraimo Freepods 3 to iPhone. It's that easy, no pop-up animation, just straight connection of the Bluetooth. All right, see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.